Exploring Wildlife Habitats. A Journey into Nature. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic: wildlife habitats. Understanding this concept is not just about language, but also about appreciating the world around us. Let's dive into the wonderful world of wildlife habitats together. A wildlife habitat is a natural environment where animals, birds, insects, and other wildlife live, grow, and reproduce. These habitats provide everything these creatures need: food, water, shelter, and space. Think of it as their home, where they can thrive in their natural conditions. From dense forests to vast oceans, each habitat is unique and vital for the survival of its inhabitants. There are many different types of wildlife habitats. Let's look at a few. 1. Forests. Dense areas filled with trees, providing home to a diverse range of species. 2. Deserts. Dry, arid regions where only the toughest species survive. 3. Oceans. Vast bodies of saltwater, supporting a myriad of marine life. 4. Freshwater. Rivers, lakes, and streams, each with their unique aquatic life. 5. Grasslands. Wide open spaces, ideal for animals that graze. Understanding these habitats helps us appreciate the diversity of life on Earth. Wildlife habitats are crucial for the survival of species and for maintaining biodiversity. They provide the necessary conditions for different life forms to flourish. Moreover, healthy habitats contribute to the overall health of the planet, including clean air, water, and soil. Protecting these habitats is essential for our environment and for future generations. We hope you enjoyed learning about wildlife habitats and their importance. Remember, every creature plays a role in its habitat, and each habitat is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Take care, and stay curious.